Hey there, and welcome to the CHS Relax channel. Today, we've got something super satisfying lined up just for you. A full ear cleaning session packed with deep wax removal, soothing sounds, and a whole lot of ASMR goodness. So grab your headphones, sit back, and get ready to relax. We're starting off nice and easy, just gently cleaning around the outer ear. You can already hear those soft little scraping sounds. It's like your brain is getting a massage. Nothing too intense just yet, just enough to get those tingles going. Now we're going a bit deeper. And wow, would you look at that? There's quite a bit of wax in here. This part's always the most satisfying, watching it all come out, piece by piece. The sounds. Crunchy, gritty, and absolutely addictive. It almost sounds like peeling dried paint or walking on fresh snow. Okay, here it comes. A big one. Watch closely, it's stuck in there, but not for long. And got it. That moment never gets old. The way it just pops out is oddly satisfying, right? Let's go in for a bit more. There's still a little stubborn buildup further in. Now that most of the wax is out, let's give the ear a nice clean sweep. These soft cotton tips make the gentlest sounds, almost like a whisper. Perfect for calming your mind, and honestly, a little hypnotic. This is the part where most people just drift off. And that's it for today's ear cleaning session. We hope it left you feeling calm, clean, and just a little bit tingly. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a like, and hit that subscribe button for more ASMR sessions like this one. Until next time, stay relaxed, stay curious, and keep those ears clean.